YoloVanCoin, live on the screen, as that futures every day. You know what I mean? Daily point of interest, I wait that zone. Patience in my chest, I let the chart talk slow. TT rage, frack the model, lines in the plan. I do not chase candles, I let them come to hand. Need that 1 hour shift, state change on cue. Delivery flips clean, then I know what to do. No panic in the room, no ego at the wheel. I keep my pulse steady, I respect the feel. When price tells the truth, I don't force a play. I can sit on my hands and still win the day. See the sea too close up, then I'm ready to load up. 1 hour candle, one breath, M5 entry with no stress. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, chrome hands, cold scan. Wait for the change, then I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, strong mind, sharp eyes. No fear moves here, we don't bend it for pain. Better trader every day, we rise again. I stream the session, let the people see how a clean decision can set you free. Teach the young ones how to hold that line. Not every move is yours, not every chart is mine. If the point ain't hit, I stay patient, the state don't shift. I keep it vacant. C2 closure, then I watch that seed. C3 on the hour, that's the entry I need. I talk risk first, then reward can breathe. The pro don't need noise, just a tested read. Community growing from the steps I show. From I need a win to now I know. See the sea too close up, then I'm ready to load up. 1 hour candle, one breath, M5 entry with no stress. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, throw hands, cool scan. Wait for the change, then I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, strong mind, sharp eye. No fear moves here, we don't bend for pain. Better trader every day, we rise again. I used to want it fast, now I want it right. Let the market breathe, then I step in light. No emotional trade, that's a heavy chain. I cut that loose and I teach the game. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, cold hands, cold scan. Wait for the change, then I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, strong mind, sharp eye. No fear moves here, we don't bend for pain. Better trader every day, we rise again.
Good morning everybody, good morning. I hope you can hear me, you can see me properly. Here we go. Good morning guys. As I mentioned in my 8 a.m. private Discord analysis, right? Can you hear me? Can you see me properly? Beautiful, beautiful. I want to see continuation lower the rest of the day. Probably I'm gonna take short on this asset. What about gold? Gold is retracing and going higher, hopefully. Is the music loud enough? Only problem, I have to wait for the 50-minute closure, right? Beautiful. But of course, like 200 point stop loss is crazy. But my target is this Asian low for today. Definitely I'm gonna see this low here to be taken, this 1 o'clock low. Oh, you can hear the music? Oh shit. Now you can hear. Dude. That was a clean, easy short, guys. Fuck. Yeah, but all this now, I want to wait how the London low is gonna act. Probably this equal lows on ES as the target, and then the next target is Asian low. I want to see the price retracing and then going lower now. Retracing and going lower now. A lot louder than me. Is it better now? I mean, like, I put the volume on my mic. Yeah, it should be okay. Is it good now? I think it should be good now. The music is real, like, quiet. Yeah, right. You have to listen to the music, not me, yeah? Doesn't really matter what I'm talking about. You have your own plan already. Dude, I should just fucking take a shot from here, as I mentioned. 2K easy money, baba. Nico, only 177 by the way, instead of 439, right? That's good. Alright guys, press the like, yeah? If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. No, Baba is just slang, nah. 6 people are watching this stream right now. Let me see how many of you actually press the like. Don't let me hang, right guys? Push this channel, valuable information every day. I can't see the likes now. Anyway, it's okay. Good morning, Alan. You missed the 8 o'clock pre-market analysis. I'm not sure if I do every day, but that was cool. Maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe tomorrow I will do as well. I think it was really nice. We learned a lot. Inzactis and Nicole was there too. I want to see a retrace back to the 120 now. Has anybody had any trades so far? This is a copyright-free music, so hopefully my music channel won't be flagged. Yeah, nothing. Yeah. I can tell exactly that Nasdaq is the weaker asset now. So I'm only focusing on Nasdaq right now. I don't care about this guy is longing already, bro. Catching the falling knife, yeah, brother. I want to see this 1 minute close bearish as well and going lower to take out these equal lows. The price just left. Because this low and this low is like a equal lows. But the only problem is it's gonna take out this. There's gonna be like just a couple of points, so no probably short yet. I want to see 1 AM to be taken because that was a London 7-hour candle. Oh fuck, it's took already. Nice, at least predictable. And then I can tell ES is a strong asset. In 7 minutes, bro. Fuck, look at this moving. That's crazy. I'm gonna just annotate this is a 1 AM low. Dude, I told you it's gonna fucking tank. Asian low is coming. That's the daily target I wanna see. Even lower, but right now. I don't know who bought yesterday call options, guys, but that people are cooked as fuck. You really what 900? Oh, you really want 900? I want an Asian low, and that's based on the things I mentioned in my pre-market analysis. I don't want to repeat it now, but just send me a message in Discord. I'm more than happy to explain. Alan, okay, nice. We got failure swings here. I want to see some retrace on the 15 minutes and then, you know, going lower. Previous daily low, I think that's the obvious liquidity level we want to see, this low here, because this whole move was because of the Micron earnings, right? And we consolidating, swept the highs, so I want to see this pre-daily low to be taken, but yeah, we will see. Let me see gold, beautiful. I want to see C2 here and going higher. Not Baba. Baba is like a baby in my language. Bum, 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 bum. I mean, 1 minute is still bearish on ES, Nasdaq as well. But ES had no closure, so I will wait for that closure. I don't like this. I want to see continuation low to Asian low, but need an entry, right? Probably M15 continuation. That was actually here, so this should be a protected area, and the price actually, I don't think so we have anything on the 15 minutes. Yeah, just failure swing, so I want to see this to hit in the next 15 minutes. But probably ES is better. Now we close below in ES, so I think ES is better to short to this 52. Here we go, ES is going lower. Yeah, Nasdaq is as well, like really close actually. There is nothing between that and that low. Yeah, nothing. So I think it's gonna go and take. Which I'm not happy, because I wanted to, you know, is there any OB formation? No, nothing. But yeah, maybe the 50% of this gonna reject the price, retrace, and then going lower. Let me monitor on the 1 minute time frame. Now Asian low is coming. Yeah, it's just like couple points away. Dude, this is like really funny. Didn't take the Asian low on trade away, but took on what's the name? On what's the trading view? Yeah, we could still frame, because this is the next area. We can see the next open high low close candle, open high low close, and we're going lower. And then don't forget, if we have a 30 minutes, 15 minutes, you can anticipate the price gonna just retrace and then going lower, right? And you enter on the lower time frame. Gold, nothing yet. I mean, you can still scalp on the 15 seconds, Nicole, right? By the way, just 114. Yeah. I mean, exactly the same. Just you don't have to think about it's like 50 seconds, but yeah, you don't do that, just tape read. I think we're gonna have entry on gold, so I'm not like scared. I won't have any entry. At least I know that the pre-market analysis was 100% accurate, so I'm happy, because that means I upgraded my ability to read properly, or more properly, I would say. So I'm happy that everything I was telling you guys in the 8 o'clock pre-market Discord stream played out like to the tick. That's amazing. Let me see the chat. Dude, who bought a core yesterday in a promise of micron is crying so badly, or closed already in profit. I can't find that shit. Okay, I found this. Five seconds is king. Here we go. We still have short-term highs and the fair value, and this one and this one. We just reached the whole yesterday micron move, 50%, by the way, on here. From this low to this high, we reach the discount now. You see, that's why I was annotating this level. Wow, what a surprise. Yeah, to the tick again. Look at this, bomb. Let me delete, we don't need here. Okay, I don't need a session low here anymore. I don't need the session low here anymore. Okay. Alright, perfect. I wanna see continuation low on the 1 minute time frame. Give me a OB, baby. Baba. That is 50 minutes range, right? Here we go. I want to see back to the Asian low before it goes higher. But we already tagged into and manipulated. It's fucking heavy. Where is the next liquidity? Any? Oh, this one is not valid. Dude, there is no. Why do I have that many shit here? I don't need. Okay, 50 minutes time frame. Any liquidity we have? No, but I can anticipate some reaction around here. Gold, beautiful. Back to the range. Let me see the chat. Sorry guys. And 1, 2, yeah. Breako. Dude, since it's like a 200 point move, bro. Yeah, that shit is crazy. I mean, I want to see this low to be tagged like 62. I wanna see an up move now. Some push like back to the 670s. Yeah, I wanna see 660 now. Beautiful, beautiful reaction. Let me see the chat. Crazy. It's crazy you called it. Yeah, exactly, brother. Let me sell you my course. All right, 661. Hit the 660. Beautiful 120 point move in 1 minute candle, guys. I hope you catch it on the 5 second, right? Yeah, I mean, it's good because there was a... Now it's gonna go back to 660. It won't leave this fair value on the 1 minute. Has to take the internal before the external. So what I want to say, here we go. Internal took 660, so 120 point move in fucking 1 minute, guys. That's crazy. That's fucking hilarious. Oh boy, I'm laughing. All right, we reached this area, we deep discount. I would like to see a reaction. We swapped the 1 minute internal, but on the 5 minutes nothing, 3 minutes nothing. Everybody was so fucking bullish, bro. I saw all the analyses and I was like, I chat with them, I type in there, they were streaming already, and I was like, dude, did you see this? I think we're gonna go lower. And they said no. I was like, yeah, sure. let me see, since open, right? Since open we fucking tank like 500 points. 500 points. But we won't go lower. Fuck no. 500 points. If you go with 5 micros, that's $5,000. Here we go. Internal to external liquidity. I wanna see the low to be taken now, the 30. 27ish, but I think ideally we want to see pre-daily low. So I want to see now again a huge bearish move. Okay, we almost took out, we opened on the 1 minute, no wick at the low, so we're gonna go lower now. Here we go, we took the low, now it's gonna go lower because ES is really close to this pre-daily low, and there's the door for it, and then Nasdaq is gonna go lower as well. Here we go, 543, 443, 445, 100 point move. I don't wanna see any up move. Just wanna see tank. There is no any resistance. Beautiful. All right. All right. All right, guys. I was watching the 5 second chart and the 1 second chart. That's crazy. But I'm telling, it's really deep, like mentally it's sucking your mental capital, the 5 second. All right, dude, I told you 443 is coming. 440, 450, 443. Beautiful 100 point scalp, guys. Did you get this 100 point, guys? Guys, please WV in the chat if you did. Yeah, pretty low is coming on ES, but I want to see a continuation entry, not on the 1 minute time frame. I mean, you could have this 1 minute time frame 1 minute continuation from here to the high, but you haven't been in a 1 hour, and then it's not even 2 hour, so you could put your stop around here, but that can be dangerous because it's so volatile. It can take your stop loss easily out. Gold. All right, I really think gold is gonna go higher to take those levels when Nasdaq reach the level, and ES as well. Oh my boy, try to short exactly the same 1 minute I was annotating. Did he take a short? No, he was just, yeah, he just annotated, he didn't enter. Yeah, that was the only 1 minute entry on the, because the door was untapped. We anticipate the price is going, so every 1 minute retrace, because we are framing on the 50 minutes time frame, is a possible entry. So right now I would like to see 272 point, guys. You must be fucking kidding me. Dude, that's crazy. Even with 1 micro, you should risk $266 to actually have 2 hours, but that will be like 544 points profit, or dollars, sorry. Alright, guys. Let me know if you are here, guys. Type with something. I feel like I'm talking with myself. Dude, I'm so sorry for people bought fucking call before. Oh bro, they have been doing this many times when we have Palantir, Nvidia, that you buy let's say call or whatever option put, and then you cannot sell, and when you sell, before you can sell, they start to push the price lower, and you actually stuck in the option and you cannot sell it because obviously you don't want to sell it in loss or minimum profit, right? So yeah. So sadly no 50 minutes entry. I mean, you could enter here on the 50 minutes time frame actually. You put your stop loss here and you target 2 hours. But that would be crazy if we move 700 points today. Dude, yeah, I want to see pretty low. I want to see retrace. I want to see this invest 15 fair value gap to hold and give us an entry. So probably the next candle is going to be open, high, low, close. We're going to maybe open, low, high, close. We're going to have a fair value inside the fair value, and we can short from that fair value. But right now, I just want to see the price retracing, yeah. Oh yeah, but ADR doesn't mean anything because right now, don't forget, Nicola, we had a micron. So you have to calculate the ADR based on the last session. 928 points, dude, that's fucking crazy. That's actually $9,280 if you fucking short from here, bro. Can you imagine? You just open 5 micros here with 10 points stop loss, and we just start shorting, bro, and then you man, with 5 accounts, that's $50,000 a day, bro. Damn, that's crazy. All right, let me see if we have a 1 minute continuation. Only problem is that we're really close to the close of this 50 minutes candle, so we can have open, high, low, close manipulation, but as well this is really close, the pre-daily low here. So I'm not telling it's a good short, but you never know. It's a 1.6 hour, nothing crazy and fancy. you're risking 100 point to make 178 point to make 125 point. I really would like to see pre-daily low on Nasdaq as well. But for me, that's too much risk. Okay, pre-daily low is coming, 63. Because that pre-daily low happened from the Micron stuff, I think that's why we're gonna take it. We just going to eat that liquidity. Yeah, I wanna just see a clean expansion. There's nothing that actually price can do there. Yeah, who took this short? You can even put 2 hours just for forward testing. All right, so I want to see manipulation higher. We have no OB. I want to see this high to be taken and create us a new OB and going lower. Here we go, baby. Baba, let's go, Baba. That's a high, that's a low. That's my 50 points of interest. Here we go. And I want to see continuation lower. I want to see a proper entry. Okay, I want to see this high to be swapped as a short-term high, and I want to push the. I want to see the early shorts to taken out. Short-term high. I don't want to. There is no fair value, so it has to take this or clean close below. That's gonna be the high of the next 15 minutes candle until it's gonna take out this pre-daily low. And I think there is nothing in the close. Yeah, you see, this is the only weak formation we have, and there is no failure swing, so that's gonna be the final TP. This is really far. I don't think so price gonna go and take this one. This is really far, guys. Yeah, that's too far. That's like no, that's too far. This one's gonna be taken and then we go higher. This is a really deep retrace. I know ES took already, but I would like to see this one to take as well. Yeah, honestly, retrace back, take out that 1 minute short-term high because there is no real liquidity. Sweep, maybe double purge and going lower. Wolves just have to step out lower. I was tempted, my goal was 730 to 660, but was like, nah. Oh, nah, this was an entry, but as well, you could enter on the retest, you put your stop loss there, you could have 1.2R, but you have to play with this. I mean, there is two low highs here, right? You see there is one high here, another high here. If the price take this high, that's gonna be taken as well. So what you can do, but back test, please, no financial advice. You can put your stop loss there. I will target 2R. Oh, bro, you would be in break even. You're gonna be in break even then. No price, yeah. No TP. I mean, dude, that's 247 points. That's crazy. That's a lot. So I don't like when we have more than 50 point SR. Even the 74 is like not my cup of tea. Whoa, look at this, 140 point move in 3 minutes. Oh, bro, I think the $50,000 account doesn't let you take this, like, because of risk management wise, you cannot take this big move, because like, and the problem is that you have to have enough buffer, like $4,000-$5,000 buffer, and then you can risk, like, let's say 140, 200 with one micros, and you're risking $500, making $1,200-ish, $1,000, right? But what I think most of the traders doing right now, just buying like they entering like 1 micro here, 1 micro here, 1 micro here, because they try to catch the low and then just have a quick profit. Oh, that's not good. Oh yeah, let me see gold. Yeah, I need a closure. I need to see this 50 minutes to sweep this and swept, and I need the closure. I need, if it is closing, then we have a continuation model higher to short-term highs, and I want to looking for the 1 minute time frame, but not yet. I need an 11 minutes. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Oh, bro, dude, why are you? These people are like, yeah, they use 50 seconds chat as well in live. I see. I respect them because I understand why do they use. And actually the 50 seconds chat is exactly the same but more noise. Alan, I don't really want to see lower than pre-daily low. Nasdaq, ES took already the pre-daily low and make the 1 minute, right? So that was a huge move. We took out all the liquidity I mentioned I wanna see, right guys, in the 8 o'clock stream. We made already a changing state of delivery and then make a 2 minute changing state of delivery. We wanna make a 3 minutes, so that can be actually a 30 minutes continuation. I don't need a 7 hour anymore, 1 hour 15, and yeah, here as well I don't need 7 hours anymore. So that can be actually continuation higher. This can close above, that's gonna be like a M15C3 closure, right? And that can push the price higher. We can have a 3 minutes, 5 minutes is not possible yet. So ideally, yeah, ideally the 50 minute can give you actually a continuation higher. And we took out pre-daily low, so we have a SMT. Since the ES was actually really funny to see a weaker asset. So in pre-market, that was really funny to see Nasdaq was the strongest, YM was the weakest, and ES was in the middle. And now it's flipped, of course, because the liquidity injections. But right now, actually, I don't think price has to take out pre-daily low here. But of course, if I approach on the 50 minutes time frame, I need a 1 minute changing state of delivery. But because if a pre-daily low, but this is as well like a 15 swing, I need a 1 hour changing state of delivery to confirm that is a, you know, SMT. Probably we're gonna have a daily SMT, and then we're gonna go higher. You see, this 50 minutes fair value is really important here. There is an Asian low here. I don't need these levels. I don't need the session point of interest anymore, not valid information. I don't need Asian low. Sorry, I need only the London Asian low. This is a fair value. I don't need this. We already know. I don't need this. We already know. We see this V-shaped reaction on the lower time frame. You see on the 1 minute time frame, you should see they have a V-shaped reaction. And what I want to see, this is a M15 inverse fair value gap, right? And we have what? We have another fair value inside, or not yet, but we're forming a fair value inside here. So I'm gonna wait for that, and I would like to see how the price is reacting around. So that's an inverse fair value. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. So ideally we wanna see the lower part of this fair value to push lower. Because why? Because there was a bullish candle, a bullish fair value, and the price failed to push the price or act as a support, so we anticipate as it's gonna act like as a resistance now. Boom, boom, boom. Gold, yeah, 6 more minutes. I like this expansion. I don't want to see indecisive candle here. I want to see a bullish candle closure. Ideally, I want to see closing higher than the C2. So if the candle is going to close higher, that would be nice. I don't like the sweep because that's again Asian high, and this Asian high and short-term high has resistance and never act as a support. so the buyers weren't strong enough to keep the price higher than this area, right? So I wanted to see this one hold, but it failed. Now it can act as a resistance and push the price lower, but I want to see higher prices on gold. But we can already just consolidate because we reached the 28th of October low, right? Dude, this is crazy V-shaped reaction. 100, oh, not 100, but it's like a 50-point up move on ES. Yeah, I want to see Nasdaq higher as well. That was my M15 point of interest. I think, yeah, let me annotate again from that. Yeah, I think that was so. Yeah, so price already higher than this. I think this bearish idea to going lower is disrespected. Now I want to see continuation higher, at least back to the premium of this hold down move, which is the fair value I mentioned. We have a short-term high here. Ideally we want to see retrace from that area, so that was a bullish. Yeah, the short-term high is coming. And that was a bullish as well. I want to see the short-term high to be taken, at least a sweep or something. Yeah, here we go. The sweep is coming now. We reached the Asian low area, but I want to see this short-term high to be taken. Open, low, high, close candle. Because it's really close, it's a failure swing, it won't leave like that. Actually, I want a quick move. I want to see a quick move. Here we go. Here we go. Take it out. Take it out. It didn't take it out. Leave equal highs. It left equal highs, guys. You see, still didn't take it out. So it's gonna take it out now. Here we go. Now it took it out. Perfect. So now I want to see how the price is reacting here. This is a short-term low. We reached the Asian low. That's beautiful. Maybe we're gonna have a C2 here on the 15 minutes time frame, then we can go lower. Right? Let's see, brother. Good. Nice. I wanna see a strong, and I wanna see at least closure above this week. And then I was looking for new continuation, at least 449, 52, 60, and the fair value. So I'm just gonna leave this one here. Two more minutes. Here we go. Asian low reached, short-term low reached, and the 50% of the inverse fair value. So I want to see SMT as well. Dude, if you short here, fuck, that's crazy. It's like 30,000. It's like 700 point. One day I'm gonna short with 10 minutes this kind of move, bro, with 20 accounts, and I'm gonna buy everybody at least 5 challenges, so they don't have to spend money on the challenges, and you don't have to follow me because I give you free accounts or I give you a promotion code or whatever, and then you're gonna make shit tons of money, guys, as well, right? We're gonna grow together big. Beautiful SMT between Nasdaq and YM. This is what I want to see. Man, it's really hot here. Price is inversing again this fair value, so that means this area should hold the price to going higher, but now it seems like it's gonna fail to hold. We will see. Currently respected the 50%, now it swept the low, so if the price wants to go higher, should go from area here, because there is no any fair value, and I really don't want to see it to come back to 510, because from this low to this high, this is the area where actually the burst was pushing the price lower, failed, retested, tried to go higher, swept, retested, and if the bulls were acting and stepping in, should push the price higher from here, but it failed, so I want to see lower prices now. I want to see this low resistance liquidity to be taken, to this low to be swept. Something like this. Alright guys, I have to stretch my back, give me a second. Alright, back. Here we go. Price is rejecting that area as I mentioned. Now I want to see that low to be swept, this low. Give me a sec. Alright, that's not bad. We had a C2, so what I would like to see, continuation higher from this area. This is an M15 point of interest. Let me see how does it look like on the lower time frame. Perfect. I want to see this consolidation range to swap and going higher. We had a lot of failure swings into this short-term high, so this is ideal. Let me see how this M15 gonna hold. We had this 1 minute changing state of delivery, so it's bullish. The M15 was confirmed. This one, this, and it's not bearish yet. Probably it's gonna turn to be bearish and then flip to bullish, but it's because of the range. It's a range high, that's a range low. Beautiful. This one is on 1 minute only as well. Perfect. All right. Come on, sweep this low. You wanna sweep this low, brother. I don't like this. I wanna see a sweep of this low. That would be the best. And then a changing state of delivery on the 1 minute. Then I would able to long, right, to higher. Let me see this Nasdaq 1 minute. We closed here, so my point of interest is here. Here we go. Yeah, I want to see to sweep this low, make a new 1 minute, and then going higher. Here we made a C2 into the 15 minutes, so that means you can see that price is lagging. So you see this 15 minutes time frame. The candles are different, right? This high, this 00 high, so 10 o'clock high, and this is a 10 o'clock high. 10 o'clock high went higher than the 45 high, so we have actually SMT between these two candles, 24 and 10 o'clock high, and 10 o'clock, and this high, and we reached the Asian low, but that C2 is only confirmed when we close below here, so I don't want to play that. Not a cup of tea. Here, let me see. Good, nothing yet. What do you say? Yeah. I can say yes or no, Nicole. You know, it's not financial advice, brother. This band that we are bumping. Band, like range, you mean? I mean, like, we will see. I don't try to, like, I would like to go with, so if, and this is really, if the price on a sweep then close, we can anticipate this high to be taken and this high to be taken, because that time this won't be protected anymore. If the price is gonna do something like this, then this gonna be taken. So right now I don't wanna engage because this low wasn't taken, you see? And that because this low wasn't be taken, only confirm bullish move if the price closes above this level. There is no SMT, you see here, so I'm not engaging. If let's say ES took this low and we would have a SMT like this, I would long the stronger asset, which is that case now ES, right? So I have to wait, and the price already higher than this SMT, so again we can have what, another SMT like this. But right now I'm just waiting. I don't want to engage until the price shows its hands. Yeah, gold is just consolidating. Nico, let me know when. Oh, I'm gonna set the alerts. Wait, I can do that too. If any direction is gonna be broken. We have SMT, so we have a double SMT that can confirm lower prices as well. But if we break these SMTs, then we're gonna have disrespected SMT, means we can go higher. But I need confirmation. Why I haven't got any notification? I said, you see guys, did you hear anything? Why TradingView is offering me this if it doesn't work? I'm just gonna cancel my account with TradingView. I'm gonna go back for free, because this is like a joke. So right now this is the range, so this is a confirmation if the price wants to go lower. But the problem is that we want to see higher prices, right? I don't need the 7 hours anymore. I need the 1 hour 50 minutes, and I need only just 3 candles, 4 candles, yeah, so I can see properly. Yeah, we had a H1C2, but we have a H1C2 here, and the half we have, okay, I think this C2 1 hour was confirmed with this half an hour and the 50-minute C2, so ideally I want to see higher prices. So this is a potential premise of the C2 is gonna form, and now we already confirmed that with the 15-minute swing formation, so it's bullish. That's why I'm looking for longs inside this or the next half an hour candle, which is gonna be the last part of the C2 H1. Yeah, but it shouldn't be delayed. I pay a money for like a service. Let me see what account I have. I'm just gonna cancel. I don't like. Why should I spend money on something that doesn't work? What is my settings and billings? Let me see. Subscriptions. Alright, I have a essential plan, but I think I'm gonna cancel. Dude, $155 for, fuck no. Yeah, I don't need that many indicators. I don't use, you know, I just use drawings, and I have only these 2 layers, so even I don't need that much, you know. All right, this is not bad. Let me just set this one to cancel. That's December 21st. So I'm gonna cancel at 20. All right, I set the reminder. I can use one indicator even if it's free, so I can use the FADI indicator, and that's so I don't need other indicators. I don't use any other indicators. I only use FADI, and I have now this daily divider, but dude, I can draw manually the daily divider. So yeah, dude, it's so hot here now. No, actually it's not consolidating, so it swept the high, closed below. So ideally this is a bearish move, and we want to see this range low to be taken, right? Because we swept this high and we closed below the bullish up close candles. So now we should see lower from here, but I don't want to short because I'm bullish. Nasdaq left equal highs at 680. No, really, this is not a OB. I will use this one because this pushed the price lower. I want to see this. I don't want to. I don't like this. This is not even a. This is like it has no high. Nothing. This is just one bullish candle. You see, if we have a closure, then, but as well we just broke out, so I want to see a new OB and then I would engage maybe. But I don't want to tell because people want to copy me and they're gonna lose money or win money, and that's actually a financial advice. I don't want to. If I take a trade, you're gonna know. Anyway, guys, yeah. Yeah, and we are at end of the 50 minutes candle as well. Sorry, guys. Oh wow, Lucid Flex account is 70 euros, $70 again. I don't believe it. Let me check. I think it's not. Maybe it's a special code. Lucid Flex. No, it's $98. Yeah, it's $98. That's not true, guys. I like when people are telling you use my code, it's $70, 50% discount, and then when you put the code, it's just only like 40%. Like, dude, so why are you lying then? All right, I would like to see a OB here. By the way, who is watching this stream? If you like this content, please press the like. Thank you. All right, let me go back to gold. Beautiful. We had this bullish closure. Let me see if we have. Now this one looks better. I have a point of interest here. And if it's gonna make a new OB, then clean targets are here. Oh, I forgot to put this one as well. But I wanna see manipulation, right? I don't wanna see that fair value too intact. I wanna see a retrace and then moving higher, expansion. Oh wow, this 1 hour looks so cruel on Nasdaq, guys. Wow. SpaceX $152. Wow. Give me a sec. Alright, keep your eyes, guys, on the price. Da da dum. Yeah, Micron went back to $1,168. Nvidia is a 195. Alright, this is a consolidation on gold again, so it's not my favorite. Amazon is okay. yeah, most of the important stocks are done. Meta is done, like, yeah. So yeah, I think it's time to cancel my Canva account. Okay. Yeah, but that's a range high here. I don't like when we have a range and we have another range, because that means the price is slowing down, right? So this is just not ideal. I want to see expansion, so this is now really expansion. And of course, yeah, that's a range high here, high, low, high, but I took the high as well. So if I use this high and if I use this low here, that actually supports a continuation idea, but I would like to see a closure above this area and target this. This is not what I want to see, like expansion, consolidation, expansion, well, consolidation again, no. So it's not really what I'm looking for. Let me see, indices as well, like kinda. Okay, SMT is broke here. We still have SMT here. Yeah. We will see how the price is reacting here. We had the C2, but we already served the high, so this is not a C2. This is a premise of the future C2 with this one, with this one. Yeah, maybe we have a 30-minute C2. Yeah, I think that's why. I mean, it looks like a bear flag, right? But this is like a fucking V shape, guys. Look at this. This is a V-shape bomb until here. So now we can go lower, but let me use 30. Right, this is the range. And this is another range here. So now we're gonna see, I think we can see this, or we can see this. Doesn't really matter for me. I don't care. I don't need this here. I don't need this here. Well, I see we have constantly SMT at the highs. That means Nasdaq is a weaker, ES is a stronger asset. So maybe it's mostly go lower. Perfecto. All right, it's time to like gold. Yeah. Now we had this changing state of delivery. So we disrespected this M15 continuation idea. So this 15 minutes won't expand higher. Sadly, probably it's gonna go take out these lows. Probably this range liquidity is coming. So I wanna see price just take out this. We have these failure swings here. Let me see other influencers, right? Dasha, she has no. Oh, she was longing. Yeah, she was longing. I think she got in break even. Yeah, she put in too early on break even, I guess. Trader fake guys, I don't know what he is doing. That guy nothing. That guy is nothing. Again, giving away free accounts. Lol. Oh, Tanya is back. Let me see her. Yeah. So this is a 1 minute inverse fair value, but we have this area, so I want to see this act as a resistance. We will see. Let me have my glass of water. Consolidation. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 11 o'clock and then I'm gonna wrap up the live, guys. I want to wait for next 15 minutes to give us something. If not, then I'm gonna just wrap up, because after that we're gonna consolidate, I guess. So I want to see the move happen now, and then between the VERF 30 to 130 a consolidation, and then another move. I would like to record the video, so the new video is coming. I want this 608 to be taken. Nice. How old are you, Tanya? This kind of question, guys, are killing me. I like this reaction. Perfect. C2 formed on the 15 minutes time frame. Nice. Let's see a continuation. Lower. We had a closure, open, high, low. Yeah, there is a fair value. I want to see this fair value to tag in, and then going lower. No C2 closure confirmed on, and we have this fair value here as well. There we go. Yes, I want to see back and then low, back and then low, yeah. I mean, this fair value was taken, yeah. Yeah. Nah, we wanna see this low to be taken, this low here. Low to be taken as well. Short is valid. Yeah. Yeah, it should go lower to this 479. Bum, 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 bum. It should. Let's go. Expand lower, Baba. But I think Nas ES wants to go higher now. Yeah. So this is a real manipulation. So we wanna see a closure below because we not tag into this fair value. I don't know, guys. I think the price action is really slow now. I want to see a closure below this level. And then maybe I'm gonna engage. This is much more like a consolidation, manipulation. I wanna see a continuation lower. And as well here too. Ooh, that's bullish. Alright. It's not that good. It's already higher. Let me see NQ. Well, NQ acting. Yeah. NQ had different. Yeah. Not cool. I think this is not a valid any. I mean, like we took out already the low at the open and we reversed, so we have failure swings here. I think the 720 can come. Yeah. This was a huge expansion higher. We wanna see V-shape then, but we didn't see. So no. Yeah, I think this high is coming. I mean, I think should taken the 716 high, but I don't know, guys. We have this inverse 1 minute fair value. If you have a V-shaped reaction, bro, that will be crazy. Yeah, almost 40-point move, 50-point move. This is 50-point move, guys. Like, can you see this from this high to this low? 50 points. That's crazy. Come on, take out this 714 level. Here we go. Just go fly, baby. Just fly. Dude, this is 100-point candle from the inverse fair value gap. Well, I'm gonna go to the restroom. Just give me a second. I had no entry. These stop losses are too.
YoloVanCoin, live on the screen, as that futures every day. You know what I mean? Daily point of interest, I wait that zone. Patience in my chest, I let the chart talk slow. TT rage, frack the model. Lines in the plan, I do not chase candles. I let them come to hand, need that 1 hour shift. State change on cue, delivery flips clean, then I know what to do. No panic in the room, no ego at the wheel. I keep my pulse steady, I respect the feel. When price tells the truth, I don't force a play. I can sit on my hands and still win the day. See the sea too close up, then I'm ready to load up. 1 hour candle, one breath, M5 entry with no stress. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, chrome hands, cold scan. Wait for the change, then I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, strong mind, sharp eyes. No fear moves here, we don't bend it for pain. Better trader every day, we rise again. I stream the session, let the people see how a clean decision can set you free. Teach the young ones how to hold that line. Not every move is yours, not every chart is mine. If the point ain't hit, I stay patient, the state don't shift. I keep it vacant. C2 closure, then I watch that seed. C3 on the hour, that's the entry I need. I talk risk first, then reward can breathe. The pro don't need noise, just a tested read, community growing. From the steps I showed, from I need a win to now I know. See the sea too close up, then I'm ready to load up. 1 hour candle, warm breath, M5 entry with no stress. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, throw hands, cool scan. Wait for the change, then I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, strong mind, sharp eye. No fear moves here, we don't beg for pain. Better trader every day, we rise again. I used to want it fast, now I want it right. Let the market breathe, then I step in light. No emotional trade, that's a heavy chain. I cut that loose and I teach the game. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, cold hands, cold scan. Wait for the change, then I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin.
Alright, I'm back. So Alan, you said that you got negative hedging against what? These levels all the way up to 825 is why it's not engaging yet. I don't understand. Explain what does it mean, negative hedging and stuff like that, please. Gold? Lol, gold. I think I'm gonna close gold, but dude, ES almost went back to the new side. Alright, I'm gonna. Oh, we still have. And then we still have SMT, guys. So the SMT is still valid. Yeah, ES is like, look at this. You buy here and you're 80 point up. That's crazy. Alright, the 15 minutes, you can see the 15 minutes was flipped here. So it's not bad. 4 more minutes. You can see ES is so strong and the lagging asset is Nasdaq. Again, 110 point move, guys, that's crazy. I think this low is coming, the 645. Price is so close that level. Here we go. Took it out. Oh, you sent a message? Alright, I just look at the red one. Okay, so you mean the sellers are strong until 840? Is it, if my understanding is proper? I can see the last picture you sent, it's too noisy. Yeah. So right now you said, wait a minute. Okay, so 280 you said? Alright, this is really bearish. I think 583 is coming, guys. We rejected the 1 minute OB. Yeah, I wanna see 560 now. Yeah, now I want to see this inverse fair value to push the price lower and take out this low. Something like this. And we have this OB as well. Here we go. And I wanna see this low to be taken. And ES is weaker. Nasdaq is the stronger. ES is really close to that. Yeah, but I want to see Nasdaq to going lower as well, but yes, it is really close to that level. Just go take it out that low. Oh no, ES took it already, fuck. I don't like when ES took it already, because we can have a SMT at the lows. Oh man, but it could be a good. Again, Asian low. The price is around the Asian low. That was, yeah, mitigation. Yeah, you see, the HVL is a high volatility level, bearish where price is suppressed. So you say that the HVL level should push the price lower. I'm trying to understand the concept, okay? HVL level is 820, right? 29,820. Okay, you said we are below HVL, so you want to see the 73.60. 73. I'm fine with that if I can capitalize on it, yeah. Oh, is it? Yeah, thank you, Alan. Thank you, Alan. I think we have a lot of low resistance liquidity until this 248. Let me see how much the level. It's too small now for me. This monitor is not good. I should buy a new one. 29. Yeah, I think we have a lot of low resistance liquidity until this level. You see, guys, this. I hope we can capitalize on this move. Would be fucking amazing to catch this $400 move. I would make a $4,000 on that shit. Oh yeah, I saw. Thank you, yeah. If I make $4,000 today, I'm gonna go and eat a steak, guys, yeah? Guys, go. What? Nico, you see this? I was accurate again, but look at this move on God. That's so lame. Oh boy, low resistance liquidity was taken. Yeah, I mean that was like a low down move. It was a slow down move, sorry, can't speak English anymore. Hablas español, sí. Nah. I don't touch gold. Gold is consolidating in the last 2 hours. No, I don't wanna engage because, yeah, I'm gonna close. There is like more juicy things on ES and Nasdaq, so I don't wanna close the chart because now we have a C2 on each time frame, 30 minutes and 50 minutes, right? And this can actually give us a possible short continuation lower to this 295-ish. So let me see. Okay, I don't need this fair value gap. We know this price in the fucking fair value. Okay, that's a high and that's a low. Yeah, so and the low is wait a minute, it's opened here, yeah, and this one opened here, so this is the area where I want to see a new 1 minute changing state of delivery. It should just happen right now, brother. Exactly with same here. Yeah, I want to see lower prices now. We made a 1 minute changing state of delivery on both assets. And this is M15 changing state of delivery. Let's go, baby. Just tank. Yeah. He's going, Baba. He's going. Oh no, daddy. Let's go. Take these lows here. This is your target. This is your other target. And this is your other target. Alright. Should die now. The price should die now. Let's go, Baba. You could enter here, right? You know that, guys. Stop loss would be there and you target 2R here. I think it's better to short actually ES, because that's a weaker asset. Who took this shot, guys? What I really don't like, there is a higher high on ES and no, higher high on Nasdaq and YM and lower high on ES. So I want to see how the price is acting in the next 15 minutes, because I want to see a confirmation on the 30 minutes time frame, which is still a good opportunity. If you go on the 30 minutes time frame, this is your point of interest and you're looking for 3 minutes. I want to see higher time frame confirmation than 1 minute. Okay. Oh shit. So I think it's better to short on the 3 minutes now, because that's a higher time frame. And on the 3 minutes time frame we haven't closed yet. We're gonna close it now. and now closure on ES. You see the sweep is, so that's why I wouldn't engage yet. I'm waiting. Why I cannot? Okay, finally. So that's why I wanna engage on the higher time frame, because that 1 minute is too noisy now because we are consolidating. And you can see the ES is the weaker, so you could enter short here, put your stop loss there and target 2R, but you should target that low. But I missed this entry. I'm fine with that. But I wanna short Nasdaq. Okay, and this is just only for 3 minutes. Perfect. So now my things are set. Oh shit. I want to engage in the 3 minutes time frame. Respected the M15 point of interest, but I want to see a closure below this because that was an up move that created the SMT on the 30 minutes as well. So right now I would like to see a new OB formed on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so this would hit 2R, beautiful 100 point. That was based on M15, but I'm gonna wait for this. So right now we took this short-term low. I want to see you retrace back to this M13 point of 3 minutes. No closure. Fuck. This is a weak closure. Yeah. I mean, we have this nickel here. These are my targets. And this one and this here. But I wanted to see a closure here. But if I enter here, that's a huge stop loss. So I'm gonna wait for the next 15 minutes candle, which is between this, to retrace, enter, and going lower. Because this is a nice continuation. So this low is coming, the 61, here we go. And now I'm gonna see this 21 to be taken as well. Because that 21 is really no, that's a bit far. I want to see a retrace now. I mean, it can take it out, it's not that far. Yeah, I think it's gonna take out. Yeah, it's gonna take it out now in the next couple of seconds. Yeah. It took it. No, not yet. It's gonna take it now. Take it now. Okay. Let me see the 1 minute time frame. So that was a win on both indices. That was a clean continuation lower, guys, right? Took out this, and now we fighting with this, and I think we're gonna have a retrace from here back and use this failure swing towards these lows. Hey, what's up, Hughes? What's up, viewers? What's up? Beautiful short on both indices. Good cash if you can. Coat. Nice. Alright, this 15 minutes candle closed. SMT worked. Awesome. Bam, bam. Don't forget to like, guys, the video, the stream, or if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. That's gonna help to grow the channel. If you think that the video gives you any value, please and thank you. Ta-da-dum. Alright, that's cool. I'm not trading options anymore. Not like everybody was buying call option last night, and they were crying in the morning, I guess. Lost a lot of money because of the time decay. I know a lot of people bought because of micron earnings, right? And then they couldn't really do anything because one day expiration, and then time decay would kill the profit so bad. So no thank you. Beautiful reaction. Ba-da-bum-bum. Tick tick beep beep. Dude, I don't wanna use this. Go back. My portal. Boom, 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 boom. Now, let me see the M15. Okay. Nice. The price reached the area. Okay, I don't need this information anymore here. This one as well. Let me see this low. Lol. $2. So I took the low. Brother. Brother. Guys, don't be shy, yeah? If you have any questions, just drop in the chat. Look at this, Nicole, 30 trades, yeah? No, I didn't trade gold. But ES, Nasdaq and gold acted as we had the pre-market stream in Discord today, and we actually read the price action like really properly. We wanted to see New York reversal, and what a surprise that happened. We wanted to see Asian low as Alan as well, so it hit, and the gold as well hit the levels we wanted to see, so we kind of happy. Nicole, your boy Tyler shorting and putting break even already, which doesn't make any sense because it's gonna hit your hit his SL. Like, why he put it there? It's gonna exactly take him out and then go lower. Yeah, I don't want to open the gold anymore. I closed the chart. I think that was a much cleaner trade on ES and Nasdaq, so that was like really clean short here. And it's not hindsight. I was telling you guys it's gonna hit, and it, what a surprise, it hit. Ta-da! Let me have my crystal ball. Here we go. I hope I can copy this. Fuck that. Yeah, sure, deserve it. Okay. Nicola, my crystal ball. I'm gonna use this emoticon now then, because everybody uses this fancy this one, right? Everybody uses this one, like, oh, we know recycling, right? Or they use this. I'm just gonna fucking use my crystal ball. What is the biggest one? That's lame. I wanna see a bigger one. Fuck, I can't. What's the chat? Exactly. I told you yesterday that Asian session target, right? Don't dwell on it, girl. I told you. Everybody was longing, and then what a surprise, tanking lower. Crystal ball. Yeah, I didn't. I wanted to, but I didn't like the reaction, so I didn't take anything on God. I think ES and Nasdaq was better. I'm always trying to find the best asset to trade. I don't wanna find against the wind. Exactly. I told you that level, and that was one guy. He was longing, and I went his live and I explained him why the price, you know, and then he was like, you know what, don't be that smart. I was like, okay, cool. And then I saw his face when his SL was hit. Dude, that guy was exploding. Yeah, that was fun. Alright, I think I'm gonna wrap up the live soon, guys. We are inside this 300 point range right now. You already had a clean continuation lower. That would be 4R. I'm already up the week nicely. I don't feel I want to press the button right now. Tomorrow is another day. Maybe we can win another 2R. Why are you crying? You make money, girl. Chill, yeah. Oh man, let me see my my Canva, my journey. I wanna open my journey. Yeah. My subscription is gonna end. I don't care. All right. This week I had 4 trades. I get one break even and 3 wins, so I'm up like 6R. So why should I press the button and, you know, go crazy? So I'm already chilling. That's not bad. I think maybe tomorrow I'm gonna have a trade if there is an entry. Oh yeah, that guy, yeah. Always. I'm not sure if tomorrow I'm gonna have a pre-market analysis stream as well. I'm still thinking, but now we have this. Look at this, Nicole. Just sit tight, yeah. Nice. LMB ready, yeah? I think ES is better. Here we go. I like this. Next 15 minutes candle. We have the C2. Exactly. Nasdaq is lying, I guess. Exactly. That's why I was like, let's go. Let's see what we have now. Maybe we can have another 2 hours today, yeah? Let's go, guys. Let's go. This is not like a clean manipulation. We expanded since the open. I'm gonna delete this. I don't want to flex. I don't need these. I don't need these. I don't need these. I don't need these. I don't need this one. I don't need this. Less information is better. Perfect. I don't need this. Okay, I need these only. I don't need this one too. Okay. We got a lot of wicks here, but we have a high resistance liquidity at 45. I don't need this one here. 30 minutes. 30 minutes close bearish. Oh, bullish. Oh, bro. 30 minutes that can fuck the whole idea to get involved. Yeah. 779. You see that we have this. Yeah, I think ES is way weaker. Yeah, I think Nasdaq is the strongest, so I'm gonna think as Nasdaq is bearish as well. No C2. I don't need that C2 on Nasdaq. That's fake move. That's not real. Check YM. Let me see YM. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. YM is bearish as well. So yeah, I think Nasdaq is lying right now. So I don't gonna see that one. And this is the 30 minutes. All right. It's not bad. We're gonna see closure below that level. That's nice. I wanna see a V-shaped reaction. Let's go. I want to see a V-shaped reaction here as well. Let's go. Here we go. I want to see how the price is gonna be disrespected here. Funny to see that 30 minutes almost looks identical with the 15 minutes. So this is my perfect. Yeah. I like this V-shaped reaction on ES. Give us an entry. Oh, poor Tyler. He was taken out. I told you. And no closure yet. Probably the next candle is gonna expand lower or reverse. Here we go, no closure. We have no real manipulation. Of course, if the price is gonna close above this level, then the 50 minutes is gonna continue its bullish up move, but currently it's changed to be bearish as well. So 1 minute is already confirmed the lower price, disrespected this 50 minutes point of interest. Now we just tape reading, András, we just tape reading. Nice to have you back. You missed the 8 o'clock pre-market analysis today. That was a nice stream in the Discord. Maybe I'm gonna have more frequently. I will see how I have time. Yeah, I know, it's okay. I'm happy for your success, brother. Good catch. I check your entries. Nice. You posted in the Discord. That's good. Congrats. But don't forget to understand on a deeper level the changing state of deliveries. I think there is something misleading now, but because your changing state of deliveries were a bit interesting. Alright, we still bullish on Nasdaq, but ES seems like wants to go lower. Maybe it's gonna make a C2 1 minute in the 1 minute fair value and then going lower, target the range low. I will learn. Yeah, watch 3 trades CSID video. That's the easiest. I think he explains very well. Or maybe AM as well, but I will go with 3 trades, and that's easier. Are you still here, Jules? Oh, let me see. Oh wow, look at this. Patrick Wieland is flexing with his money. Checking 1 is $1 million. Checking 2 is $954,000, aka almost $2 million. And checking another one, that's $190,000. So he has in $2,156,000 in his account. Why are you showing these things on stream? Really, like, I mean, like, I'm happy for his success, right? yeah, I don't know. I mean, like, I have no problem with his trading ability, because obvious he makes money from trading. So probably he's a profitable trader, I anticipate. And of course, he's got a lot of codes as well, like affiliate codes. Okay, what I really don't like, you have a divergence between the assets now. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it today, guys. I'm done. If you have any question, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to join to the Discord, there's a link in the description. You're more than welcome to come and join. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and yeah, don't do any stupid mistakes. I mean, you could have clean trades, as I mentioned, 2-hour trades, ES and Nasdaq as well. You don't want to chase. Now as well, there is a divergence between the two assets. I wouldn't short ES now, because Nasdaq is eager to going to take low resistance with the upside. So yeah, guys, have an amazing rest of your day, and see you soon or tomorrow. Ciao.